Hi, my name is Pradeep Mathur, and I'm a cybersecurity consultant, technical writer, and a trainer. I specialize in cybersecurity. I've done my specialization in cybersecurity from MIT. I've been into IT industry for 26 years now. I've been into different roles. Uh, I've been a network engineer for Cisco Tag. I've been a technical support manager for Microsoft Directory Services. And I've been also into documentation for manufacturing companies, for automobile companies, and retail companies. And I have done a lot of hands-on on IT and cybersecurity. So I'm sure I can help you out to understand cybersecurity better. So this series is inclined towards giving you more information about latest in cybersecurity and how you can maintain your cybersecurity postures. So I look forward for your feedbacks at the end of the presentations, which I'll be creating for you, and look forward and for your comments as well. You have a wonderful day. Thank you.
Hi, welcome to our channel. Today we will be discussing about CVEs, know your vulnerabilities. In this, we will be discussing about what CVEs are, why CVE matters, CVE identifiers, sources of CVEs, and we will also discuss how you can use CVEs for cybersecurity postures, how you can look up CVEs, and we will also touch base on CVSS scoring vulnerabilities. So what are CVEs? CVEs are common vulnerability exposures, which are publicly disclosed by cybersecurity authorities. So these are managed by CISA and MITRE corporations, which are used globally for threat intelligence. MITRE is a corporation which identifies, defines, catalogs publicly disclosed cybersecurity vulnerabilities. TIA has recently extended its contract with MITRE to ensure that the program goes on after the funding concerns were addressed. So why CVE matters is it enables standardization and coordination of cybersecurity updates. Uh, it prioritizes the remediations based on the severity, and it's used by vendors, cybersecurity tools, and professionals globally to help you guide and detect known vulnerabilities. How do you identify CVE? CVE has a particular format wherein it comes as CVE dash year dash number. Example, if it is CVE dash 2025, this means it is in the CVE has occurred in 2025, and the number of the CVE is 6600. Every CVE has a unique publicly known vulnerability, so they are identified with their unique numbers. This CVE includes summary, affected products, and their references. The references are all public references, so you can always have more information in those CVEs. The sources of CVEs. So the CVEs can be discovered by researchers, vendors, and the communities and the hackers. And if they are well documented and well communicated to the authorities, they can be converted into CVEs. You should they should be reported to MITRE or CVE numbering authorities. So there are a lot of CVE numbering authorities all over the world. In India, we also have CVE authorities whom you can approach, and there is a particular format in which you can give the information about the vulnerabilities found out, and then it can be documented there. Um, it validates and published to national vulnerability database. It's a collection of all the CVEs throughout the world. They are all collected at one place, and so that anyone can, at any point of time, at anywhere in the world, can access those CVEs. How to use CVEs in cybersecurity as postures. So you can use CVEs to know patch management and vulnerability scannings. So you can manage your patches based on the based on the CVEs found on all the softwares. Uh, Almost every software company has listed out their CVEs so that the users can know what they are vulnerable to, and they can apply the uh, uh, well-informed patches so that they are all the security posture is well intact. This is also used for threat intelligence and risk management, and they're also used by security tools to reference CVEs for detecting and mitigating the threats. So these days, the companies like Palo Alto are also referencing to CVEs, and in their logs, they also pull out the information based on the CVEs. How to look up all CVEs? How do you find a CVE? So CVE is found in a database, so you can always go to nvd.nist.gov or cve.org to look up and find CVEs. You can search by keyword or product name or CVE IDs. If you know CVE ID, then you can always go ahead onto that particular website like cve.org and then search it out. Or if you don't know, you can search by keywords, or if you know that the product you're using, you can always search by the product name as well. Um, uh, you can review details, including severity, references, and effective systems. So all the information will be available in those CVEs. So this is a glimpse of how you can look up on the CVE. You can go to cve.org and you can type in the vulnerabilities we discussed in earlier slides. So herein, I've put in the name of the company. So I wanted to know what are the vulnerabilities for GitHub. So when I uh, type in GitHub and click on search, I get all the vulnerabilities listed out there. So this is how you can know vulnerabilities for the softwares you're using, for the equipments you're using from the centralized database. We will also touch base on CVSS scoring vulnerabilities. We will take this up in detail in the next presentation. But for now, just to let you know that the Common Vulnerability Scoring System provides a severity scores. All CVEs have a severity score as to how much they affect the environment. The scoring ranges from 0 to 10, none to critical. So you can always make a table and see where your vulnerability stands, and you can give focus on to high critical vulnerability areas. And CVE also gives information about CVSS metrics based temporal and environmental conditions as to what kind of environment you can have for or which environments can be more affected by these CVEs. So today in this, we discussed about CVEs, how they are critical in understanding and managing the vulnerabilities. I would highly recommend every company to go ahead and look for CVEs, which are there for the products you are using. And I would always advise to have a regular monitoring and action to be taken on the CVEs to strengthen your security postures. Stay informed using these threat intelligence feeders and vulnerability databases. So I hope you like this video, and you can always get back to us, give us your feedback, and we can take it further from there. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day.